Time for another awesome photo location here in Santa Cruz, California. Can't wait to share this one. Let's get it. All right, guys, like I said, here in Santa Cruz at the Lighthouse Field State Park. It's a big state park around kind of the central kind of local icon, which is the Mark Abbott Lighthouse. It's kind of a old-fashioned style lighthouse here. There's a lot to see, really cool coastline. The lighthouse itself is awesome. Some really cool vista points and vantage points as well. So I'm gonna walk around here, explore the area, see if I can get some cool comps, find some cool photos. I have my camera, gonna do some cinematic shots, maybe a time lapse. There's not a lot of clouds, but there are a few clouds. So I'm just gonna explore, get creative. It's a little crowded right now. It's a Sunday, so it might be a little bit difficult to get some clean shots. But either way, I'm here. I'm excited to explore, and I'm gonna see if I can find anything cool. So let's get it. wrap for another awesome photo location. That area is awesome, man. Like I said, just a great spot to just kind of go for a nice stroll along the beach, enjoy the views. Lots of wildlife there as well. Saw like sea otters, sea lions. Probably can eventually, if you stay long enough, probably see some whales. So really cool area. The lighthouse is kind of obviously like the main attraction, but there's so much more to see, so much else going on in that area. Really incredible. The surf is really high, so a lot of big waves today, but I think kind of typically it's just a little bit more chill over there. But I was able to get some cool comps, some great shots. Really happy with it. Definitely suggest if you're in the Santa Cruz area, really good area to just kind of go enjoy some views, get some shots, and really just kind of capture the essence of Santa Cruz. Some beautiful beach houses along the way too, man. There's some absolutely incredible houses. I don't know what happened. There's a bunch of newer houses along kind of a strip there. I have no idea if there were old houses. They all just got torn down at the same time. I don't know. That was interesting for me to see. If you're in the Santa Cruz area and you know what happened there, I have no clue. But beautiful houses though, gorgeous area. The sleeper area is that kind of trail that goes through the field there. Really beautiful, man. I was thinking, like, if you someone who does like family photos or portrait photography, that's a solid spot, man. And a really great spot too to get kind of a variety, because you're so close to the beach, but a few steps away it's a totally different look, totally different vibe. So really cool. The light was great too. You could kind of see the sea spray. There's a lot of big waves, so a lot of sea spray in the air, which makes nice filtered light. So all around, solid area, solid spot. Definitely recommend it if you're in the Santa Cruz area. Thumbs up, man.